Hello dear friends of BA second year semester 4. In today's video lecture we are going to discuss about the syllabus, unitization and pattern of question paper. All we know very well that our question paper carries 80 marks and the total syllabus is divided into 4 different units. Let us study all the units one by one. The first unit is based on prose and this unit carries 20 marks. There are 3 different lessons into this first unit of prose. The first lesson is Water, the Elixir of Life, which is written by C.V. Raman. We know very well about C.V. Raman. He is the Nobel Prize recipient and the great scientist in the subject of physics. And in this lesson, he has highlighted the importance of water for human being. The second lesson is Education, Indian and American, written by Anurag Mathur. The narrator into this lesson is the student and he studied in India as well as America, and that is why he can compare the education system in India as well as America. This has been beautifully described by Anurag Mathur into this lesson. The third lesson is Muhammad Yunus and Economics for Peace, which is written by Farida Khan. We also know about Muhammad Yunus because he is the recipient of Nobel Prize for Peace and he is from Bangladesh. He left the job of a professor in America and he shifted to Bangladesh for the upliftment of the poor in Bangladesh. बांगलादेशामध्ये जे पुअर आणि गरीब अशा प्रकारचे लोक होते त्या गरीब लोकांसाठी त्यांनी खूप मोलाचं कार्य केलेलं आहे आणि त्यांनी जी उपाययोजना त्या गरिबीच्या उत्थानासाठी त्यांनी केलेली आहे त्याचा प्रचार आणि प्रसार नंतर जगभर झाला. भारतात सुद्धा आपण त्यांनी जी उपाययोजना अवलंबिली त्याचा आपण स्वीकार केलेला आहे. सो दीज आर 3 लेसन्स प्रिस्क्राइब इन टू युनिट नंबर 1 दॅट इज बेस्ड ऑन प्रोज. Now move to the second unit, that is poetry unit, which also carries 20 marks and 3 poems. The first poem is She Walks in Beauty, which is written by Lord Byron. Lord Byron has beautifully described the beauty of one lady into this particular poem. The second poem is Bangle Sellers, which is written by Sarojini Naidu. This is a beautiful and a very small poem written by Sarojini Naidu. Bangle is a very typical jewelry or ornament which is used by every Indian woman. And into this particular poem, Sarojini Naidu not only talks about the beauty of different colors of bangles, but also she describes about the ethos of Indian culture and the pursuits and aspiration of a very common man in India. The third poem is a sort of offbeat poem which is written by Jayanta Mahapatra, and the title of the poem is Hunger. This is offbeat poem because this poem can be studied on different levels. When we study this particular poem in our independent video, we will discuss this poem in detail. So this is all about unit number 2, which is based on poetry carrying 20 marks. Then moving on to the third unit, that is based on grammar. This is the smallest unit into our syllabus, which carries 10 marks. There are 2 topics in grammar. The first topic is subject verb agreement. In question paper there will be a sentence and the subject as well as verb will be there, but in place of verb there will be more than one verb, so 2 verbs will be there and you have to select any correct verb, and the selection of correct verb is based on the subject. So we have to make study of subject and verb and how the verb changes according to subject, that we will discuss into our independent lecture of grammar. The second topic is changing voice. We know very well about voice, active voice, passive voice. So active voice, passive voice is not new for us, but to study voice we have to also study the tense, and we will study that voice as well as tense into our independent lecture which will be based on changing voice. So this is all about the third unit which is based on grammar. Let us move on to the fourth and the last unit into our syllabus, communication and writing skills, which carries 30 marks. This is the biggest unit in our syllabus. There are 4 topics. Earlier 2 topics are based on communication skills, and the third and the fourth, these 2 topics are based on writing skills. The first and the second, making request and responding to request. The title suggests that there are 2 parties. We know very well about communication skill. 2 people are talking with each other. For example, A is talking with B. A is making request and B is responding to that request made by A. So this is the first dialogue into our communication skill. The second dialogue is giving personal information. In this dialogue, person A talks more in compared to person B, because person A is giving independently the personal information. For example, if some newcomer, new boy or girl admitted in our classroom, and the teacher asked that boy or girl to give personal information, so what that boy or girl will do? He or she will come on the dais, and he or she will talk about himself or herself, and the name, and the father's name, mother's name, what is the occupation of father and mother, from where he or she has come over here into this particular college, what are the hobbies, and how many brothers and sisters. All these details will be described into this lesson. This is also sort of dialogue giving personal information. These two topics are based on communication skill. The third topic into this unit is news report, which is a part of writing skill. Now, news report is nothing but a small news. ज्या स्टुडंटला रोज न्यूजपेपर वाचायची सवय असेल त्याच्यासाठी हा अतिशय सोपा असा भाग आहे. एखाद्या विशिष्ट अशा प्रकारच्या इन्सिडेंटवर आधारित आपल्याला बातमी तयार करायची आहे. दिस आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज नथिंग बट अ शॉर्ट न्यूज बेस्ड ऑन पर्टिक्युलर इन्सिडेंट. And the fourth topic into this unit is advertising. Writing advertisement. Advertisement बद्दल आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती आहे. We watch advertisements on television, but this particular writing skill is not based on the advertisement of TV, but advertisement into newspaper. आपण न्यूजपेपरमध्ये क्लासिफाईड अंतर्गत ज्या जाहिराती पाहतो, अतिशय छोट्या आकाराच्या जाहिराती असतात, त्या आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. दिस इज द फोर्थ अँड द फायनल पार्ट ऑफ अवर रायटिंग स्किल. दिस वे देर आर ऑल टुगेदर 4 units into our syllabus carrying 80 marks. Moving on to scheme of examination, question number 1, which is a long answer question. We have to answer this question in 150 words. There are 3 lessons as we describe into unit number 1, and all these 3 lessons will carry 1 question, and you have to answer in 2 out of 3 questions, and each question will carry 10 marks. So 2 into 10, that becomes 20 marks based on unit number 1, which is prose unit. In the same way, question number 2, again this is a long answer question. You have to answer this question into 150 words. There will be 3 questions based on 3 different poems, and you have to answer any 2 out of these 3 questions. Again, 1 question carry 10 marks, so 2 questions, 2 into 10, that is 20 marks based on second unit, poetry unit, and question number 2 into our examination. Then moving on to third question, there are 2 parts of question number 3. A part is based on subject verb agreement, which is based on grammar. As I said earlier, there will be 4 lines. Lines will be given into examination. You have to read the lines, and while answering this question, you have to select any correct verb out of 2 verbs into the question, and the selection of verb is dependent upon the subject that has been used into this line. There will be 4 questions, and each question carry 1 mark, so 1 into 4, that becomes 4 marks based on subject verb agreement. In the same way, changing voice, there will be 3 questions, and each question will carry 2 marks, so 3 into 2 is equal to 6 marks based on voice. This is about the third question based on the third unit. The fourth question and the last question, there are 2 parts in question number 4. Question number 4A is do as directed, which will have internal choice, which is based on the communication skill. As we discussed earlier, making request and responding to requests, there will be 2 questions based on this topic, and you have to answer any one. In the same way, question number 4B, again internal choice, there will be another topic that is giving personal information. You have to answer any one question out of 2 questions, and again this question will also carry 5 marks, so 5 plus 5, that becomes 10 marks based on communication skill. Moving on to the last and the final question into our question paper, question number 5A. Question number 5A will be based on unit number 4, that is writing skill, and the question is news report with internal choice. There will be 2 questions out of which you have to answer any one question, which will carry 10 marks, and the final question of our question paper is question number 5B, which is the advertisement question. Again, there will be two questions and you have to answer any one question out of two based on advertisement. Again, this will carry 10 marks. So 10 marks based on advertisement. So friends, altogether this way we have to answer all the questions which will carry 80 marks. So this is all about the unitization and syllabus and pattern of question paper. So thank you so much for your kind listening. Thank you once again.